This is Allie Coolcat reporting from Zingo Valley, where one local kid's sock drawer has officially gone rogue. Instead of eating socks like a normal sock drawer, it's been multiplying them, but only the ones with holes. It all started last Tuesday when 9-year-old Jesse discovered his drawer had 4 rainbow socks. And he started with just one. By Wednesday, there were 16 tube socks with holes in the toe. By Thursday, 32, and some with motivational quotes. You got this toe. Laundry experts were baffled, and sock scientists oddly excited. And Jesse, he got curious. He started charting the growth, watching what kinds of socks multiplied, and asking the real question. Is the sock drawer broken or misunderstood? What would you do if your sock drawer turned into a sock factory? Would you trap it? Feed it only the fancy socks? Or build a tiny city and charge rent? It's producing textiles. That's technically a business. Jesse realized the sock drawer only multiplied socks with funny patterns. So he stopped panicking and started experimenting. He wrote notes on the socks. He paired odd ones together. He even stitched tiny compliments into the fabric. And then something interesting happened. The drawer stopped multiplying. Turns out it just wanted someone to notice the personality in the pairs. Sometimes the weirdest problems aren't meant to be fixed. They're meant to be understood. So next time life gives you too many socks, try looking for the pattern. Or write it a poem. Today's mystery started with one weird sock and one curious kid. So here's your challenge, Zingo Valley. Find something ordinary and get curious about it. Ask a wild question, then try something no one's ever tried. And you might just discover a little science in your sock drawer. This is Allie Coolcat reminding you to stay curious, stay creative, and to check your sock drawer before bedtime. And don't forget to join our Zingo Valley Fun Pack, where the momentum is multiplying.